Title: Beginner's Guide to Pig Farming. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about starting a successful pig farming business. Whether you're planning to farm for income or just want a few pigs for home consumption, this guide will give you practical steps to start and run your farm efficiently. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this session, you'll understand the essentials of pig farming, from housing to feeding, health management, and marketing. Choosing the right breed. The first step in pig farming is choosing the right breed. Different breeds have different growth rates, meat quality, and disease resistance. For example, large white and landrace are great for commercial pork production because they grow fast and produce high-quality meat. If you're starting small, local breeds are hardier and easier to manage. Always buy your pigs from reputable farms to ensure they are healthy and vaccinated. A healthy start is the key to a profitable pig farm. Housing your pigs. Next, let's talk about pig housing. Pigs need a clean, dry, and well-ventilated house. The flooring can be concrete or slatted to make cleaning easier. The pens should be spacious, roughly 0.8 to 1.0 square meters per pig for weaners, and 1.5 to 2.0 square meters for adult pigs. Also, ensure the house protects pigs from extreme weather. Poor housing can lead to stress, slow growth, and disease. Don't forget a separate area for farrowing sows to keep newborn piglets safe. Feeding and water. Feeding is critical for pig growth. Pigs are omnivores, so a balanced diet is essential. You can feed a mix of commercial pig feed, grains, vegetables, and kitchen leftovers. Always provide clean, fresh water. Pigs drink a lot, especially during hot weather. Monitor their weight and adjust feed accordingly. Avoid giving spoiled or moldy feed, as it can cause illness. Feeding properly ensures healthy pigs and fast growth, which translates to higher profits when selling. Health management. Now let's cover health management. Pigs are susceptible to diseases like swine fever, parasites, and respiratory infections. Always vaccinate and deworm your pigs on schedule. Keep the pens clean and disinfect regularly. Observe your pigs daily for unusual behavior, coughs, or loss of appetite. Early detection of disease can save lives and money. Also, separate sick pigs from healthy ones to prevent the spread of illness. Good hygiene and preventive care are cheaper than treating sick pigs. Breeding and marketing. For breeding, choose healthy sows and boars. Keep a breeding record to track performance and avoid inbreeding. Sows usually give birth to 8 to 12 piglets per litter. Provide proper care during farrowing to reduce piglet mortality. When it comes to marketing, know your buyers. You can sell to local butchers, restaurants, or at livestock markets. Quality pigs sell faster and at better prices, so focus on good health, proper weight, and clean presentation. Conclusion. To summarize, successful pig farming depends on choosing the right breed, proper housing, balanced feeding, strict health management, and smart marketing. Start small, learn as you go, and scale gradually. With dedication, pig farming can be a profitable and rewarding business. Thank you for listening, and I wish you success in your pig farming journey.